Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roblox Gamepass on mobile. First, open your preferred mobile browser, like Chrome or Safari, and go to the official Roblox website. It's crucial to request the desktop site version in your browser settings to access the full creation tools. Once the desktop site loads, navigate to the Create tab at the top of the page. This will take you to your creations dashboard. Now that you're on the creation page, select the specific experience or game for which you want to create the game pass. On the left-hand menu, find and click Associated Items, then choose Passes. Here, you'll see an option to create a pass. You'll need to upload a clear image, give your pass a memorable name, and write a compelling description to attract players. After successfully creating your game pass, click on its image to open its configuration page. On the left-hand side, you'll find a Sales tab. Click on this to access the selling options. Here, you must toggle the item for sale switch to the on position. Then, enter your desired price in Robux. Remember, Roblox takes a 30% commission on all sales, so factor that into your pricing strategy. Once you've set your price, make sure to click the Save Changes button to apply everything. It's a good practice to then visit your games page on Roblox to confirm that the new Game Pass is visible in your store. Finally, launch your game and test the Game Pass functionality to ensure it works exactly as intended for your players. Congratulations, you've successfully created a mobile Game Pass.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.